So total 50-50 till now. Purpose of our sitting here is deciding how our friends failed. Now not how we performed, doctor. Tell me, what is the 50-50 now? Huh? 13, 13. Don't go by rigorous scoring. Correct 13 only, no? Okay. Our online students, Bharat Reddy says, tobacco question also should be given 50-50 privilege. Now tell me, some of our classmates are sending feelers online. 50-50, 100-100. So kitna ho gaya, madam? 14. 14 is still 14 out of 70 is 25%. 1/5. So 150 is the topper score. Assuming we are the topper. Now an organism that doesn't grow. Oh, this is a easy question. What is your answer? Microaerophilic. There is no confusion about it. Then why Mycobacterium tuberculosis can survive inside? It is the phagolysosomal fusion prevention is the underlying cause. You thought of anything else? Interference with the oxidative burst? No. No. Cod factor is produced in a doctor. That is the one which promotes the phagolysosomal fusion breakage. So that's a thing. Enterotest and giardiasis. 100% answer. Anybody answered wrong? Oh, 2. Anybody else? I mean, achievable answer. Huh? Then this is absolute pakka dustbin question. 50-50. 50-50 bhi nahi hai. 25-100. 75. I'm not saying 75-25. Why? We all prepared for Riddle-Walker coefficient, Crisol. वो सब प्रिपेयर होके गए तो ये सडनली वेपर फेस डिसइंफेक्टिंग क्या है, सॉलिड फेस क्या है, लिक्विड फेस क्या है? Who will remember? Okay, what was your answer? Thiomercerol. Any other answer? All of you answered correctly. You thought fourth, no? Beta-propiolactone. Because anybody will guess option A and C. Let me check. Oh, thank God. Even our online students are also saying 74B. Swati is also saying thiomercerol. B is the correct answer. But still put it in 50-50 madam scoring mein. Huh? Chalo. Then mouse is used for isolation of what? Except what? Who will correctly answer? This we will put in 50-50. Luck only. उस दिन माउस कहाँ गया किसको मालूम? See, nowadays doctors are better, doctor. Way back in 2000, those days we said no more live teachers. Shoot करो टीचर को, वीडियो पकड़ो, वीडियो को दे दो कंप्यूटर के ऊपर. But 2000 में computer literacy was very bad. I still remember one of our Dr. Ramu, he was from PHC. I told him, touch the screen, touch with the mouse. Then immediately he took the mouse and touched the screen. Is it correct, doctor? He said, no, it is not that touching here so that you can see in the screen. Nowadays students are much better. So we even give tablets nowadays. So once we finish this lecture, this goes into tablet goes into your pocket and you can sit and can enjoy a video discussion if at all it is enjoyable. So what is your answer? 50-50 mein lagao madam. Huh? So what is your answer? Okay, your real answers kya hai? Let us enjoy. Huh? You are not fighting. Actually 3-4 years back students used to fight for their answers like anything because those days paper was not given out. Okay, what is your answer? Eco, rabies, mouse brain fixed rabies. Then you answered it as arbo, 75. Swati says D. Dr. Sri says Coxsackie. The correct answer is D. Eco. Because there is no because for this question. Because our fate was not good that day. Because our mouse has ran into other than D somewhere else. So Revis Arbo Coxsackie, we use the mouse. इसको 50 में डाल दिया ना मैडम, right? Warthin Fingaldi is 100%, no big deal. Measles. Philadelphia. This is general knowledge question. Too much, sir. Who said social studies will also be asked in MD entrance? So Philadelphia chromosome किसने डिस्कवर किया? किसको चाहिए सर? हमको हमारा सीट चाहिए. So what is your answer? Definitely you would have not answered Watson Crick. Because Nelson is attached with retinoblastoma, he can't be associated with anybody else. Chhod do. Then Morris Wilkins, novel. Morris Wilkins, novel. That's the reason one of our classmates used to say, he was from Vizag. Very creative thinker. Later on he did pathology and he is really now in California. Carry the ant. Leave it on the paper. Wherever it stands, you answer that. That's how you will get good scores, he used to say. And we used to tease him that recently when we met, we said, are you still giving diagnosis carrying the ant? In California also. So, what is your answer? Where did your ant go? Novell and Hungerford. Peter Novell was a junior faculty in Pennsylvania University in 1960. So, he and Hungerford. Alright. This is another question. So, इसको क्या किया आपने? Status क्या दिया डॉक्टर? 50-50 Philadelphia, 50-50 में छोड़ दो. Right. PTH related protein. This is also 50-50. If you answered means you are an elimination king. Okay, what is your correct answer? Yes. I was worrying, where is Raj? Raj is not having electricity in the home. Just now he is back with good electricity. So one advantage of the online classes is we can say mom will be preparing coffee in the kitchen and your teacher is before you. You can shoot and you can say stop, stop, go slowly, go fast, speak loudly, and then you can exchange your email IDs with your other classmates so that you need not waste money on Shaadi.com. So that, and then nowadays we included one more thing called Edmodo.com. You can tell your juniors. So all students are kept into one common community so that they exchange materials, they tweet, they can be able to do a lot, because ultimately in the modern era of technology, the role of teacher is a facilitator. So what is your answer, Dr. PTHRP? What did you answer? Honest answers. Yes. All of you answered 4. A was one, I know. A is one, there's a tempting answer, but correct answer is PTHRP is related to parathyroid. उसका मतलब उनका जन्म parathyroid में हुआ नहीं. Related, na, cousins are not born in our home. They are related to us means they are born somewhere else. Where are they born? Squamous epithelial cells of the skin. But this is a 100% 50-50 question. Don't worry. Now, metastasis to the malignant tumors. Tell me, doctor, do you need to prepare for entrance for answering these questions? Situational intelligence only, no? You think anywhere answering this question written in the book? No. Earlier PTHRP also not written in the book. But still why we need to prepare for entrance is, those 100% questions are there, no? उसको हमारे जिंदगी में 50-50 नहीं होना चाहिए वो. So इसके लिए, our purpose of coaching is also that. Yeah. Now tell me what is your answer? Another big joke about the entrance is, if the answer options is all of the above or none of the above, it is the answer. Why? Because by the time examiner was suffering myasthenic crisis, enough of questions. Pick up 4 sentences, 3 sentences and put all of the above. I don't have further energy. So no challenge. By default, in state entrance, all of the above, none of the above means that is becoming answer. At least next year it should change. So 79. Oh, still Raj answered it as lymphatic metastasis in a very innovative manner. But Raj should agree that all of the above, APPG means all of the above only. Examiner does not mean anything else. Then it's a straight pick from the Pathology Secrets is one book. So in that it's a straight pick up of the options. Now, centrilobular emphysema. If you know anatomy of the respiratory tract, you will answer. What is your answer? Respiratory bronchial. Anybody answered terminal bronchial? Terminal bronchial? No, no. Assuming no. So 100% status. Then, so kitna ho gaya doctor? 18 is our 50-50 score. Anybody got more than 18 mistakes can enjoy first show matinee. Now, let us pick up the further. And any 75, 2 questions are 75-25. Remaining are all 100%. Right. Corbus disease. Elimination kings. There is no guessing, knowledge in this. What is your answer? Balanitis circumscripta or gangrenous balanitis? Gangrenous. Honestly tell me, doctor, how many didn't answer gangrenous balanitis? Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This comes under 50-50 only. So, right. This comes under 100% 50-50. Add it, madam. Then, this is not 50-50. But this is not 100%. Why? Why? Leukemias, lymphomas में CD remembrance is okay. लिम्फोमास में सीडी मार्कर्स को भी याद रखो बोले तो क्या जी हम इतना चीप में मिल रहे हैं क्या आपको? तो who will remember all those things? Unless you are planning for doing MD pathology. So what is your answer? How many of you correctly, wrongly answered? Raise the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4, all else. So 75-25 mein aayega. It's not that easy to crack kind of question. But Swati answered it correctly, Pratyusha answered it wrongly. Then Lata answered it as D. I think a lot of people answered it correctly, 100% only. No 75-25 privilege. Very good.